is that?
It's Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Mm-hmm.
You like Play-Doh, huh?
Dad's gonna learn to like it.
Yeah. Oh, more? Oh, okay, more here. Open. 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 There you go. What is that? Play-Doh? What's this? Bubbles. We'll open it in a little while. Let's
Yes.
finish this.
Sebastian says, I'm gonna go outside and make bubbles. He opens the door. He's like, yeah, no, never mind.
Open. Come on, open it. Say open, please. Yeah, I can get it started for you. What is that? Play-Doh?
Yes, honey.
What about this one? Open, please.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, those have an S on it. That one's from Santa and this one's from Mama.
What? Oh, look at that.
What's that? I know.
All done? Okay, what about this one?